Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Nano X with iPhone. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X is fully charged and updated to the latest firmware. This is crucial for security and functionality. Next, download the official Ledger Live mobile app from the Apple App Store onto your iPhone. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both your Ledger Nano X and your iPhone. These initial steps prepare your devices for a smooth and secure connection, setting the foundation for managing your digital assets on the go. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Ledger Live app on your iPhone and choose the option to initialize a new device or pair your Nano X. The app will guide you through the process. You'll need to confirm the pairing request directly on your Ledger Nano X by pressing both buttons. A unique pairing code will appear on both screens. Ensure these codes match exactly before confirming. This step establishes a secure Bluetooth connection, allowing your iPhone to communicate with your hardware wallet. With your devices paired, you can now manage your crypto assets. Use the Ledger Live app to install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need onto your Ledger Nano X. For example, if you want to manage Bitcoin, install the Bitcoin app. You can then send and receive various cryptocurrencies directly through the Ledger Live mobile interface. Always remember to carefully review all transaction details on your Ledger Nano X screen and confirm them physically on the device before approving any transfer. This ensures your funds remain secure. Maintaining the security of your Ledger Nano X is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Always keep your Ledger Nano X in a secure location, safeguarding it from physical damage or theft. Regularly check for firmware updates through Ledger Live to ensure you have the latest security enhancements. And for other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. By following these practices, you ensure your digital assets remain protected and accessible only to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.